So Alexa, can you tell me your experience and your emotion na nalaman mong ikaw yung isa sa mga official members ng Destiny?
Super saya ko po ngayon na I didn't expect I would go this far na diba, ano lang ako, bata hindi sumasaya na ako makanta. I was a really shy girl and I'm really thankful na pinurso ko tong path na to and I'm very grateful for my family for believing na kaya kong mag-explore ng mga ganitong types ng things. And I'm also feeling very overwhelmed na grabe hindi ko na-expect. I'm glad na I will do this with my co-Destiny members and I know they're very hardworking as well, so
Thank you. And last question. Do you think you're confident enough? Siyempre, Star Horizon TV production helped you in your journey. So do you think you have the confidence to be part of Destiny and to showcase your skill? Siyempre kasi may mga multers na tayo dahil nga official members na kayo ng Destiny. It's common to have mall shows and events. So, ready ka na ba?
for me, ready na po ako and I'm also willing to take more lessons, more trainings in order to practice more and improve myself more. Gagawin ko lahat to improve para magpakita sa mga supporters namin na this is Alexa, your Destiny member.
Thank you, Alexa. That's all.